Hi, today we are going to be looking at how to use the device hierarchy tool in your application. So we turn on a sample application um, where we can enable the device hierarchy. So in this application, I have a few game objects, and the device hierarchy tool is attached to the click event of the box. So if I click here, takes a few seconds, and we have the hierarchy panel showing up here. It is similar to the hierarchy panel that we have in Unity editor. So we have these two scenes in the game. This is the test scene, and this is the Don't Destroy and Load that's running right now. In the test scene, we have the main camera, the directional light, the sphere, the post-processing, global volume, cube, particles, multi-polygon. We can disable some of the things, like we can disable the directional light game object. We can disable the sphere, and it's because if we go inside the sphere, the capsule is inside the sphere. We disable that as well. We can disable the particle system, and it goes away. We can disable the multi-polygon, goes away. We can go inside these game objects that have their children. So the sphere has the capsule inside it. We can disable the capsule. We can look at the inspector panel of a sphere because this is the root game object. Yeah. So there's a transform, and the transform has position minus 2.12. We can change it. So instead of minus 2.12, let's put it at minus 3. We can move the objects like that, or we can look at what is the mesh. Like the mesh name is sphere instance, and then we have a mesh renderer. Now mesh renderer usually has multiple materials. So let's see what materials it has. It has sphere material. Let's move it now, which is built-in instance. Now we can also do some testing on the materials. This is just a test that I've added. We can remove materials one by one and see which one is causing like whatever problem you might be seeing. So then we can reset them, and it's back here. Then we have a sphere collider. It's not much information about that. Okay, we can go to the capsule. Capsule also has a transform. We can change it to something else. We can put it back. Okay, and then we can, so the way we can use it is that we can potentially disable all the root game objects and see the frame rate. We can also show the frame rate, how much is the frame rate, and then we can see what is eating up all the frame rate. So it could be something inside one of these, and that way we can find out that where the problem is. If we don't know what could be inside it, we can also go inside and we can disable the things, and that way we can zero upon what's the problem. Or we can just change the transforms, and or we can remove the materials and find out if any of them is causing the frame rate drop. We can also go to Don't Destroy and Load, and there's not much going on here. Device hierarchy. Okay, so this is this particular game object component, and the cube has the test device hierarchy starter. So we can remove that, but that's we also have a close button here. So this how the hierarchy panel works on devices. We can use it to optimize our game and check what is if we have any problem, we can remove things and check if they are causing problems.